Hello, Dennis here with doityourselfdennis.com, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to hang a towel bar rack. So you've got your towel bar and it's going to come apart. And a few tools you're going to need. You're going to need a hammer, a tape measure, a pencil, a screwdriver, Phillips, a level, and a drill with a drill bit, and in my case glasses and anchors. Okay, so the bar itself, or the bracket, hangs on a little bracket, and they go together like that. So there's a Allen head screw that tightens up onto this. So what you're going to start out with is you're going to figure out where you want to put them. And so you're going to take your plate and you're going to put it on it, make you a mark. You're going to try to hold it plumb, and you can take a level and plumb it up if you want, but I'm not going to. So we've got our starting mark. This is a 24-inch towel bar. So what you can do is take your tape measure and put the 24-inch mark on the mark you made, and then just lightly make a little mark with the end of your tape measure. Just try to make it, don't want to make it too dark. You want to be about level. And then you're going to take your level and level across. And you're going to level it up. Make sure you're on your mark there. And then you're going to come out here where the mark you made and make another little line. Be fine. And then just make a pencil mark. I just indent it. And then you're going to take your plate again, kind of level it up or plumb it up, and make you another mark. You're going to take your drill and drill you a couple of holes. And you're going to take your anchors and put them in. I drill my holes a little small, so I think they hold a little better that way. And just knock them in the rest of the way. Then you're going to take your screws. It'll come with the screws, and you're going to run your screws in. It goes a little quicker if you got you can put a driver bit in your screwdriver bit in your drill and run them in with it. They should come with a little Allen head wrench. Okay. Do the other side. Kind of center it up there. going to take one side. Okay, we're ready to put the bars actually on. So you can start at either end. It doesn't really matter. There's a set screw underneath here. It takes an Allen wrench, and you can set it on there. You want to kind of run your screw up so that it's right on the edge. It'll save you a little bit of time. And you just take your Allen wrench and turn the screw up in there. It's a little bit awkward to do. Let me sit down here so I can see it a little better. I've about got it now. There it goes. Make sure you got it sitting straight. I'm going to loosen it just a tad. Okay. Just tighten it up. You can take it. Once you get it tightened up, you can turn your wrench the other way. Get a little bit better grip on it. Okay. So then you're going to take your bars, set them in there. Put them in your other one. And we're going to do the same thing with the other one. Then you're going to tighten it up. Actually, we need to loosen that screw up just a little bit. It's kind of nice to have somebody hold it for you. You turn the Allen wrench.
That's just a double bar.
Yeah, we've got a double bar here. A lot of times they're just a single bar. Almost there. Well. Get in there. Okay, all right. It's good and tight. And so that's all there is to hanging a towel bar. Check out my other videos at doityourselfdennis.com, and thanks for watching.